Hi candidates, for the past few weeks we are posting important news from PIB in our Telegram group. Few students asked their doubt that how to read from PIB or any current affairs, how to use the material that we are posting. So in this video I am going to give you a demo how to read news from PIB and how questions will be coming in the prelims examination. For example, let us look out this news from PIB. This news is from 20th Jan 2022, exactly like 1 year before today. And the news is about PM is to inaugurate new circuit house at Somnath on 21st January. So we can see there is a name of the temple coming in this news. So there are two syllabus for the prelims exam. One is the syllabus given in the notification. The second syllabus is the set of previous year questions and like repeating themes of questions. These two are the syllabus for the prelims examination. Every year one or two questions will come regarding temple architecture, etc. So we need to memorize the prelim syllabus, and also we should have in mind the second syllabus, that is the previous year questions and the themes, etc. So when we have these things in our mind and when we come across such news, and we should find such keywords like in this news we have seen that Somnath is mentioned, so we know that it is a temple name. Now let's see inside the news. Distilling Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate new circuit house. Okay, these things are not important. Temple is visited. This data is not important. And government facility was located. A new circuit house has been built at the cost. These things will not come in prelims exam. How I am telling like these things won't come? This is not important because I have revised all the previous year prelims questions. So based on that, I am coming to a conclusion like which is important, which is not important. So first of all, you should read the previous year prelims question and keep the topics in your mind so that we can filter the news and read only the important news which is necessary for the exam. Or else what will happen? You will be keep on reading lot of news and you will taking a lot of time, and those times will not be converted into your mark. At the end of the exam you will be feeling like I read lot of news, I gave lot of effort, but I am not able to clear the exam because you didn't know which news are important and which are not. So in PIB like there will be like 20 to 30 news every day. We are giving only the important news based on the previous year question papers and the syllabus. So this data will not come in the prelims examination. So only this Somnath temple, it is the only keyword present in this PAB news, and all other data are not important. So now what we should do? We should study about Somnath temple. So just we go and search about the Somnath temple. Whenever you are reading some data, either you should read from the government website or the official website, and for Wikipedia you can just keep as a reference, and another important source is NCRT. So here I am going to read about Somnath temple in Somnath official website. We can see they have provided the information about the temple. This is about Somnath trust, and here they have given data about the Somnath temple. So we will go inside that and read about the details of the Somnath temple. The first line they have mentioned, Sri Somnath is first among the 12 Adi Jyotirlings of India. It has the strategist location on the western coast of India. Okay. This is one important information because this is considered the first among the 12. Okay, this is one important. Then ancient tradition maintained close relation of Somnath with release of moon god. Okay, this is very much led to religious content. Our syllabus is art and culture, so we should keep that in mind. The aggravated curse moon. This is a story about the temple. Next, show that the first Jyotirling Pran Pratishtha was done on the auspicious day of brighter month Sharvan month. Okay, this is also religious data on God. Okay, see here. Here the history part comes. The later source of history account for several discussions by Muslim invaders during 11th to 18th century AD. The temple was rebuilt every time with the constructive spirit of the people. The modern temple was constructed with resolve of Sardar Patel. So here the personality is also coming. So we should note down this point. Sardar Patel, who visited the ruins of Somnath temple on November 30, 1947. Then President late Rajendra Prasad performed Pran Pratishtha at existing temple on 11th May 19. This personality name is important and what they did is important, but this date is not important. So we should note down only that. Other spots, these are other spot present near the temple, so those things are not important. Now we can see by temple is also close by. This we can note down because this also some another temple which is located near to this Somnath temple. It was built by Queen Mother of Siana Allahabad Holkar during 1782. Okay, so that's all information about given in the official website of the Somnath temple. So now let us look at the question, like what question came out of this PIB news. So this is the previous year 2022 prelims question. We can see the Prime Minister recently inaugurated the new circuit house near the Somnath temple at Verwell. So this I have shown in a previous slide. This PIB is from Jan 2022. So what they are asking, this news already they gave, and they are asking question, which of the following statements are correct regarding Somnath temple? Actually, this line was also given in the question paper, and then the question was framed like this. And the first point they have given, Somnath temple is one of the Jyotirlinga shrines. This we have read in that first line itself. Like I told, this is important because it was first among the 12 Jyotirlinga shrines. So they have taken that. And second point, a description of Somnath temple was given by Al Biruni. So he's a historian traveler. In previous prelims question, lot of questions have come from the travelers and historians, and his name is also in NCRT, 12th standard NCRT. So they have asked a description of Somnath temple was given by him. We don't know about that fact. So okay, we will go to the next point. Pran Pratishtha of Somnath temple, installation of present day temple was done by President S. Radhakrishnan. This was mentioned in that official website. So uh, points 1 and 3, these things we have read in that official page. Now we don't know about the second point, and now let us look at the options. It is 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3, and 1 to 3. There are set of option types. Like for example, here we can see if we know any one statement is wrong, we can find that answer, or else all the three will be correct. This is one of the such option format. Here we can see 1 and 3, actually we know the answer. Regarding the second option, We don't know from where this statement is taken, but this traveler name is in the NCRT, and in the official website, one second. So we read a line regarding the see the later source of history account for several descriptions by Muslim invaders during 11th and 18th century. This time, that Arab traveler actually he came and gave some information about the temples and other things during that time, and that statement actually is taken from another official website. I previously mentioned that whenever you read something, you should read in the official website or some government website like that. So this page is Gujarat Tourism government website. In that, in this website, they have given information about the Somnath Jyoting temple. We can see the first line in this website also they have mentioned where the first of 12 holy Jyotirlings emerged in India. They are given that, and in this third paragraph we can see a description of temple is given by Al Biruni, an Arab traveler, was so glowing that it prompted a visit in 1024 by most unwelcome tourist, the legendary looter Muhammad of Ghazni from Afghanistan. So we can see in this official website they have given one information about the description of the temple given by that Arab traveler. So this statement they have taken from here, I guess so. So from these two official website, we have got the three statements, and with this information, we can answer that question. Actually, it was considered a very difficult question, but you can see from how these questions are being framed and how we can answer. Like we are providing in the Telegram group the important PIB news. So what we should do, like if you come across any keywords of previous year questions or those themes or words in the syllabus, when you come across those things, you just need to read some information regarding these keywords in the NCRT or some official sources like these two websites, and the questions will be framed on this. With this kind of approach we can easily answer the questions, and in next video I will share one more question asked from the PIB. Thank you.